In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to copy a Notion page to another account, step by step. This is perfect if you're moving workspaces, sharing a template with a different email, or transferring a dashboard from a personal account to a work account. Notion makes this possible, but the steps aren't always obvious if you're new. I'll walk you through the entire process so you can do it quickly and without breaking anything. And if you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Notion and software tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open Notion and navigate to the exact page or dashboard you want to copy. This can be a task board, a notes page, a project dashboard, or even a full template with databases inside it. Make sure you're on the main page you want to duplicate, not a subpage unless that's what you intend to copy. Once the page is open, take a second to confirm everything you want is visible and properly organized, because whatever is on this page will be included when you copy it. Next, look toward the top right corner of the Notion page and click on the Publish option. This allows you to share the page using a public link, which is the key step for copying it into another account. When you click Publish, Notion will prompt you to confirm the publishing settings. Make sure the page is published so it can be accessed outside of your current account. You don't need to enable editing unless you specifically want others to edit it publicly. For most cases, view access is enough. After publishing, click Publish again to confirm. Notion will now generate a shareable public link for that page. Once the page is live, you'll see an option to copy the link. Go ahead and click Copy Link. This link is what you'll use to transfer the page to your other Notion account. Keep this link handy because we're about to switch accounts. Now, open a new browser window or log out of your current Notion account. Sign into the Notion account where you want the page to be copied. This could be a different email address or a different workspace entirely. Once you're logged in, paste the copied link into the browser's address bar and open it. You should now see the published Notion page from your original account. At the top right of the page, you'll see an option that says Duplicate. Click on Duplicate. Notion will ask you where you want to save this page. Choose the workspace and location inside your new account where you want the page to live. After confirming, Notion will instantly create a full copy of the page in your account, including databases, layouts, and content. Take a moment to review the duplicated page. Check that all blocks, databases, and links are working correctly. If the page contains databases, you may want to reconfigure permissions or adjust views to match your workflow. Once everything looks good, you can safely unpublish the original page if you don't want it publicly accessible anymore. And that's it. You've successfully copied a Notion page from one account to another. This method works great for transferring templates, sharing dashboards, or moving projects between accounts without rebuilding everything from scratch. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy-to-follow Notion tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.